Cut the sealing tape on the box. Take out the Easwe C20 main frame. Remove all protective foam. Unfolding the C20 main frame will lock it automatically. Remove the protective film from the controller. Install the controller and tighten the knob securely. Can be mounted on either side. Connect the upper and lower controller cables and secure them with the nut. Follow the arrow direction. Use the Velcro strap to secure the cable. Open the battery package. Press the battery power button to check the battery level. Insert the spare battery into the storage slot. Insert the battery on the right side until you hear a click. Slide out the anti-tip wheels. A click sound means it is locked in place. Press the center button to retract the anti-tip wheels. Press the button to lift the armrest. The armrest locks automatically when lowered. Push the motor lever forward to enter manual mode. Push the wheelchair easily. Pull the motor lever backward to enter automatic mode. Use the joystick to control movement.
Attention, right brake state. Attention, right brake state.
Turn on the controller power. 5 speed levels. Hold plus for 5 seconds to enable voice prompts.
4 gear, 3 gear, 2 gear, 1 gear, 2 gear, 3 gear, 4 gear, 5 gear.
Long press the horn button. Short press the horn button to turn the light on or off. Press the power button to turn off. Pull the latch outward to remove the battery. Press the battery into place and it will lock automatically. Remove the light and plug in the charger. Turn on the controller to check charging status. Unplug the charger and place the light cover back. Twist open the waterproof battery cover. Insert the charger for charging. After charging, unplug it and close the waterproof cover. Lift up the footrest. Retract the anti-tip wheels. Gently pull to release the rear safety lock. The wheelchair folds easily. Easy to carry and fit into a car trunk. Open the footrest. It locks automatically when unfolded. Pull out the anti-tip wheels to secure them. The armrests can be lifted for easy access. Fasten the safety belt. Move around easily.